Welcome back. Now, another way to use Google Scholar is also to look for legal research. And in order to do that, all you really need to do is to click the case law button. And what you can do is you can actually search for the level of court that you are going to be looking for the information from. So, for example, if we wanted to select a certain court, we can actually select that court inside of Google Scholar to modify our search results. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our search term in the box. So in this particular case, we're just going to put in dieting to see if there is any case law regarding that. And you'll notice then that we have case law that is related to dieting. Now, of course, we'll want to narrow this down and we'll want to use our search operators, but this is a very good way of being able to do research behind the scenes on certain topics. We can also search for topics at the federal level and or at the state level. So what you want to do is you want to narrow down where you are looking for law or precedent and then do your search within Google Scholar. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.